Today, users angrily complained that the Oracle database has suddenly become intolerably slow. I generated an AWL report on the most recent AWL snapshots. Here are the SQL statistics. The top SQL on the list consumed over 99% of total DB time. It executed 19 times, with an average elapsed time of an alarming 66 seconds. The two subsequent PL/SQL procedures also exhibited poor performance. They executed 18 times and once, respectively, with average execution times near the SQLs. Obviously, these two PL/SQL procedures invoked this SQL, making it the primary culprit for the slowdown. Let's check for the SQL's execution plan in the AWR repository. This SQL exhibits two execution plans in the AWR repository. The plan hash value of these two plans are different. Plan 2 leverages the address-cast index for quick access, keeping the cost at just 6 and finishing in 1 second. Conversely, Plan 1 skips the index and does a full scan on the table addresses, resulting in a scary cost of 2.68 million and an extremely long execution time of 1,045 seconds. The stark contrast between the two plans raises the question: why does Plan 1 resort to a full table scan instead of using the address-cast line index? To investigate, let's examine the current index metadata for the addresses table. The output reveals that the addresses table currently has only one index, address pk. However, the address cast line index referenced in Plan 2 is absent. How did this happen? We can track execution statistics across AWR snapshots using the DBA-hist SQL state view. This query builds a timeline to pinpoint when the SQL's performance declined on the current day. You can get the source code of this query below this video. The output shows Plan 2 running efficiently from 6 to 10 o'clock. At 10:30, with the snapshot ID 20line41, it switched to Plan 1, with the average execution time surged to 33 and 105 seconds. At this point, we have nailed down that execution plan switch occurred between 10 o'clock and 10:30. Can we narrow it further? Yes, with the DBA-hist active session history view, we can sift through detailed execution data. This SQL query retrieves execution details for the SQL statements from the view for the snapshot ID 20line41. The output shows Plan 2 was used until 10 o'clock, 14 minutes, 25 seconds. By 10 o'clock, 14 minutes, 26 seconds, Plan 1 took over. Thus, the plan switch occurred around 10:15. This precisely identifies the performance plan made point.